Okay, today we are heading to the market. It's about 9:15 a.m. here on a Saturday, and I gotta put my mask on as we head out to town into the populated area, so people don't look at me strangely and possibly have one person call me out. So anyways, yeah, about 9:15 in the morning. Just starting to get warm out, and people are already out and about, as you can see. And I'm walking so fast again. So where to first on Nepo Wet Market? Nepo. Okay. Thanks. Lots of activity already. See if I can get across. There's the tree in the daytime. We'll come back and take a look at this again at nighttime very soon. We'll come back. I'll show it my camera. I swear to God, this camera helps me get across traffic. I just pointed towards them, and they're like, "Oh shit, maybe we should stop." So anyways, here we are at the Nepo Market, and I'm gonna get ready to go inside and head downstairs to the wet market area. So we'll turn back on when we get down there. Cool. Okay, we're kind of walking down the side street that straddles the east side of the mall, the market. There's all kinds of various goods through here. Sure, anywhere you want to go. So in the market we go. Okay, Nepo Wet Market. Oh, nice stuff. I do believe this is the milkfish that's popular here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna hang out while she does her shopping. Hello. So this is she's a good vendor. We get stuff from her every now and again. This lady here, very nice lady. I don't want to point the camera at her too much. It's kind of rude, but yeah, she does us good. Okay, so here's the deal. She runs around and does most of the shopping while I kind of stand back, because if they see her with me, the prices will suddenly increase. So I hang back and just kind of look around and enjoy the sights, I guess. So if you're ever in the wet market with your significant other, as a foreigner, kind of hang back and let her do the shopping. You'll get better deals that way. So we're gonna do this wet market here, Nepo, and then we're gonna head over to the other building, which is just next door to the north of us. And that's where they have most of the garden vegetables and fruits and what have you. A lot of the stuff in here is meats, pork, chicken, fish, things like that. So I kind of like to walk around, but I don't want to be seen with her. So anyways, this is Nepo Wet Market. There's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, let's take a peek, see what else we got here. I'm sure they're used to this. They've seen it before. Foreigners walking around with cameras. I know I've seen other videos on YouTube of foreigners walking through this same exact wet market, shooting video. So I think over here we get prawns, shrimp, things like that. Yeah, see, look, squid and tuna. Good stuff. Look at this. Yeah. Some people are turning their... Ooh, I just got wet. Some people are turning their heads already. They don't like to be on camera. I guess I can understand. Various dry goods, garlic, ginger, onions, prawns. The prices on prawns fluctuates quite a bit. Oh, excuse me. And we got some flowers. Guess I better not drift off too far. So anyways, yeah. Start making my way back. Look at this tuna. Nice. There's that building next to us I was just telling you about, which has all the market that has most of the vegetables, garden produce, that kind of stuff. So we'll be headed in there next as soon as we get out of here. Okay, like any place else, you got to sign in and get your temperature checked before you come in here. Not a big deal. Wear your face mask, wear your face shield, all that good jazz. Hello. Hello. Okay. Let's see if I can find my way back. Look at all this milkfish. Nice. Tons and tons of milkfish. Very popular in this area. Alright, there we go. Anyways, there's the grand tour of Nepo Wet Market.
I'm looking for you because I want to ask you if you want to buy tiger prawns.
Yeah, if we got a good price going on them right now.
Okay,
I'll stay here, I guess, right? Okay. So anyways, there you have it, guys. I just gave you the grand tour of the Nepo Wet Market. So we'll check back later. Actually, no, we'll go ahead and wrap this one up, I believe, right now. Nepo Wet Market. I'm kind of standing in the middle here, I guess you could say. Yeah, right? Almost smack dab in the middle of this market. So that's facing east, north, west, and facing back south again. Okay, there you have it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right, later.